After curing, remove the miter square and scrape the excess of pit finish resin with a scraper blade, perpendicularly to the glass. Polish the area of the repair to clear the small dot remaining. Wipe. The repair is done.